Hello viewers, this is Too Fast here. In today's video, I will be replacing the backup light on this 2016 Honda CRV from the regular incandescent bulb to these super bright LED lights. These LED lights will give you a much brighter output and will help illuminate the area behind you when you're backing up. So let's get started. Let's first have a quick look at the original backup lights. As you can see, the incandescent bulb is not very bright and puts out this yellowish color. Now upgrading the backup light on this vehicle is very simple. First, open up the hatch. Now there are two light modules on this vehicle. We'll be removing the bottom one right here. First, you'll need to remove these two Phillips screws. You'll need to pull this tail light assembly towards the back and out. Looking at the back, this one here is a backup light. Go ahead and turn this, and here's a backup light bulb. Remove this bulb. Now let me show you the LED light that I'll be using for this install. This one I have here is from the company LUYED, and the backup light bulb size on this vehicle is 7440. Now you get two of these bulbs. Let's have a closer look at one of the lights. There are a total of 24 high-power 3030 LED chips all around. 6 of them are at the front, giving you a 360-degree light output. Now the color temperature on this light is 6500 Kelvin, which is a pure white color. Near the base of the light, you have this aluminum heatsink to help dissipate heat. This light will operate between 9 to 30 volt DC, and it's not polarity sensitive, so it doesn't matter which way you plug it in, it'll still light up. Here I'll connect my 12 volt power supply, so you can see the light output. It's a pure white color. It's very bright. Here's a new LED light. It's not polarity sensitive, so it doesn't matter which way you plug it in. Reinstall the lights. Don't forget to reinstall the two flip screws. Repeat the same procedure on the passenger side. Now let's take a look at these LED lights. Later in the video, I will show you what it looks like at night. Immediately, you'll notice the color is a pure white color, and we don't have that yellowish color anymore. Here's a side-by-side look of the before and after. Now let's look at these lights at night. Let me tell you, these lights are super bright, and it made a huge improvement compared to what it was before. Looking at the backup camera, you can see the LED light is very bright. Everything behind the vehicle is illuminated. As you can see from the video, with these high power LED lights installed, the backup light is extremely bright. Besides giving you a nice white color, the extra light that it puts out will help illuminate the area behind you when you're backing up. Now the 7440 bulb is used on many vehicles, and perhaps your vehicle also uses the same bulb. You can check your user manual. Now you can get a pair of these lights on Amazon for $16. If you're interested, check out the link in the description below. Thank you for watching, and remember to click on a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Also remember to click on the notification bell so you get notified of new videos. Thank you.